Bus. So finally we are in our final day of the trip. So we have come to Delhi. We have all we actually reached Delhi by 2 a.m. in the night, and we booked a hotel. So this is the room we got for 5 people. Now we need to have breakfast and leave to see a bit places in Delhi. Probably we are thinking of India Gate, Red Fort, and Qutub Minar.
And Humayun Stone,
Yeah,
and
probably.
Lotus Temple,
The list goes on and on.
and Akshardham, and after that, final stop is Indira Gandhi International
So
Airport.
probably if time supports us, we'll get everything done.
And we are
So let's go. We'll have
planning to
breakfast and
we are planning to go Agra also if possible.
so now the main concern is we need to have breakfast first, and then after having breakfast, after breakfast we'll get going. So we are currently at Kashmiri Gate metro station. So we are having breakfast, chole kulche here. It's very famous. So after this we'll leave. Myself and Rahul here having the local food. So we took the metro at Kashmiri Gate and got on at Lal Killa. That is only one station away from Kashmiri Gate metro station. And then once you come out of Lal Killa metro station, you have already reached Red Fort. It is right next to this Lal Killa metro station. So and yeah, so what we are doing today is complete like whatever main places are there, we are planning to travel everything through metro only. So this is our first destination. We have come to Red Fort. So we'll go inside and then check it out. So just I'm just gonna leave every detail of whatever metro I'm gonna take and whatever station we need to get down at. So this is going to be a separate vlog for Delhi itself. Alright then, so let's go to Red Fort. Let's enter it from here. So this is our first destination, the Red Fort. So how are you guys feeling? We are traveling completely by metro.
We miss stress.
Yeah, we missed yes. Yeah, we are sorry to tell this that
Dolo boy.
Shreyas, who was a Dolo boy, he was actually not feeling very well. So that's why he directly went to the airport. So we'll be catching him by evening. We have one day to travel every place. So this is our first destination, the Red Fort. Man, it's amazing. So we covered the Red Fort. Now the next place we are going is where are we going next?
We are going to Delhi Metro.
No, we are planning to go to the India Gate now. So India Gate, we'll take the metro towards there. The metro station is apparently right here only. So as I told, we'll be traveling every place from metro only. So back to Lal Killa metro station. So we'll be taking the metro again to India Gate. I'll just show the map which metro we are going to take off at. So let's go. So according to the map, we are at Lal Killa metro station, which is at Red Fort. This is Lal Killa. So the next one is India Gate. So the metro we need to be taking is yeah, the station we need to take is Central Secretariat. So Central Secretariat is close to India Gate. So this is the way we'll be traveling today. Let's go to Central Secretariat station now. So we have taken this daily pass, which costs us around 150 rupees. Plus the card is 50 rupees. So you can travel anywhere in Delhi if you're using this pass. So there's a small change. We got to know that India Gate is apparently close to Mandi House metro station, not Central Secretariat. So we just got down at Mandi House metro station. From here we need to walk for 1.8 kilometers. Yeah, let's go. So here we are. This is the first glimpse of India Gate what we are getting here. Our Rahul is walking in whistle, katti whistle. National War Memorial is there.
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
So from the India Gate we are taking an auto towards Parliament and Rashtrapati Bhavan. The same road it goes there. So we are trying to fit in all the 4 people in one auto itself. Let's go. So from there, from India Gate, we have come to Rashtrapati Bhavan. So the good thing is we completed India Gate, we completed Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Parliament at all at one shot only. So the next thing is we are going to the Lotus Temple. We need to take a metro here. So this is Central Secretariat metro station. So from here we'll be taking a metro to Lotus Temple. I'll just check which station are we supposed to take when I enter the station. I'll just check the map and then I'll show it. So let's go. So the Lotus Temple, we need to get on at Kalkaji Mandir metro station and it is 450 meters from there. We the purple line only goes till there. So we are in purple line right now, Central Secretariat. The same line goes up to Kalkaji Mandir. So that's what I'm telling. Whatever you want to visit in Delhi, everything is well connected by metro. So it's a great thing for us. No need to take autos, buses, cabs everywhere in Delhi. It's all well maintained. The metro facility is very well organized here. So yeah, we have come to Kalkaji Mandir metro station. I think it's 500 meters walk distance from here. So once we get out, yeah, that's all. We need to go out and it's another 500 meters walking distance from here. It's visible maybe. So it's just a 500 meter walk from the metro station Kalkaji Mandir and then we have reached the Lotus Temple. So finally, after walking for 500 meters and entering, I'll show you how the Lotus Temple, Kalkaji Mandir. So here we are at the entrance of Qutub Minar. We had to take a metro to Qutub Minar metro station and then from there it's hardly 1.5 kilometers. So this is our final destination probably. So it's hardly 5 minutes walk from the main entrance. You can see it. Wow. So this is our 6th destination for the day. Even though without the bags, guys are not feeling well, I think. We have completed watching Qutub Minar, so we'll take back our bags which have been kept in clock room. And yeah, I understood many things which are actually controversial and I can't share them in the vlog because there are many things I got to know about Qutub Minar and the culture, the things which happened there. But possibly I just can't speak about them because it may be very much controversial and it's not good. So yeah, we'll take back our bags Just I can. The only thing I could do is I just show how the place looks like, and then we'll take our bags and leave to the nearest metro station, and then we'll see where next. So we are finally towards the end of our trip. This is the last day.
Hi.
So we are in the airport now. We have a flight to catch at 2 o'clock. So it's two more hours remaining. So we just thought we'll just come to the airport and then we'll check in early. So it's sad that now actually Suresh is splitting off from here. He is catching a flight towards Hyderabad and we are catching towards Bangalore. So how do you feel? How the trip has come to an end? What are you feeling?
ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡು ನಂಗೆ ಅದೇ ನೆನಪರಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
So I think Suresh is remembering something, and it's some good memories from the trip is making him laugh so hard. It's okay, anyhow all we have is good memories to carry on. So let's go then. Let's get going. Let's get going further. Let's go catch the flight.